My religion is Catholic. I have 3 brothers and sisters. I'm eldest in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Melanie. How are you
I'm
today?
fine, ma'am, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, I'm honest, loyal, hardworking, and responsible.
So how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will focus to my work. I will make myself busy.
Can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will treat them as my own brother and sister. I'll give food properly, vitamins, bathing them, loving them.
What if you commit mistakes? What to do?
Sir, madam, I say sorry. I promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I need this job for the future of my family. I promise to finish my contract in 2 years.
Thank you, Miss Melanie, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.